I know you've heard of ySense, the survey and task site that promises easy cash from your phone or laptop. Today, I'm going beyond the sales pitch. We'll look at what ySense actually offers, who it works for, and whether it makes sense for you. This is what's called a GPT, or Get Paid To, platform. You sign up, then complete tasks like surveys, games, offers, or app installs. In return, you earn points or credits that you can redeem for PayPal cash or gift cards. It's free to join, worldwide in many regions, and backed by a legit company called Prodage LLC, the same group behind Swagbucks, which is another very popular GPT platform. In other words, yes, the platform works and you can get paid. But here's the catch: the amount you earn is small. Surveys pay around 30 cents to $2. Many users say you'll spend time being screened out and doing little tasks before you hit a meaningful payout. A lot of surveys feel like they're going somewhere until they don't. You answer several screening questions, you think you're in, and then you get hit with a "you don't qualify" message. Most people experience this often, and the payout for those attempts is usually tiny or nothing at all. Another issue is the time it takes to earn anything meaningful. Tasks pay, but they pay small. So if you're hoping for steady, predictable income, ySense isn't built for that. It's built for small payouts spread across long stretches of clicking, waiting, and hoping you qualify. Depending on where you live, the offers can be all over the place. Some countries get plenty of tasks, others get very few. The result is simple: the platform works, but the earning experience can feel slow, repetitive, and inconsistent. If you want to learn why most people never make real money online and what you can do to be the exception, make sure to grab my free guide in the description called The Income Lie. It breaks down exactly what mistakes beginners make and what you can do to avoid them. Go grab it while I'm still giving it away for free. ySense does make sense for a certain type of person. If you've got spare time, you enjoy simple tasks, and you're okay with earning a little here and there, it can be a decent way to pick up some extra rewards. It's also fine for people who like having something to do while watching TV or waiting around. Something low effort that still gives you a small payout. But it's not a good fit if you're expecting something consistent or substantial. If you want reliable income or something you can scale, ySense won't deliver that. And if you get frustrated easily, especially with screenouts or slow earnings, this platform will probably feel more draining than helpful. ySense does what it's built to do. It pays small amounts for simple tasks. If that's all you expect, it works. But here's the part people don't usually talk about: the mental costs spending long stretches. Bouncing between surveys, screenouts, and tiny payouts can make you feel busy without actually moving forward. And that's the real trade-off with platforms like this. They keep you occupied, but they don't help you build anything. So if you're okay with pocket change and light tasks, ySense delivers. If you want momentum or progress, this model will hold you in the same place. Don't forget to grab my free guide in the description called The Income Lie and find out exactly why most people never make real money online and what you can do to be the exception. If this breakdown helped, subscribe for more honest reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.